Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank, and I will be the man behind the camera. In today's video, I'm really sorry by the way for the loud noises in the background. There's some construction in my area. So today's video, guys, we are finally going to be introducing our 2005 V70R. This build is a complete engine setup build with a bigger size turbo, some bigger injectors, and a fully built with dart sleeved engine. This build is going to be absolutely insane, guys. We cannot wait to show you guys the final result and the future videos on this. So before we start the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from Tank Garage. See you, boys.